So one of the critical components of our program is our mentor and our TA program. And that program brings professional software developers into our classroom in two ways. Mentors are paired with individual students, and they act as a traditional mentor for somebody who's coming into an industry and doesn't really know much about it. It's a great opportunity for somebody who's in the profession to give back. And the TA program is just as valuable. These are professional software developers who come into the classroom, or now they do it remotely, and for 2 hours a night help our students with a curriculum. So for these professional software developers whose time is incredibly valuable to come and volunteer 2 hours a night every night of the week to make sure our students can get through our curriculum.
The mentor-mentee relationship that Platoon set up for me was fantastic because my mentor was able to enlighten me on how things in the industry were, because I have never worked in software development, and just to learn a day in a life and just to help me with like little code issues that I was having and helped give me examples that would better fit, like something that I would understand better. And for instance, like object-oriented programming, everybody likes to use like the tree and the fruit. And he gave me the example of like ships and the classes of ships because I was in the Navy, and that really kind of made it click.
In addition to our instructors, or a supplement support in addition to our instructors, by really connecting with the students after our lectures when they're working through the challenges. They'll pair program one-on-one with TAs occasionally in addition to their fellow students, but they are definitely a huge resource in not only providing support for their instructors, but also getting our students through the program.
TAs that they have that help out during class. You know, there's a couple people every night there for a couple hours a night that just hop on and they're like, if anybody needs help, just let me know. There was never like a shortage of resources and people to ask questions.
I'm grateful to Platoon because of all the knowledge I've gained in the job I currently have. I know there's no way that I could have got there without Platoon. I mean, it gave me the opportunity, it introduced me to the right people, it gave me the knowledge I needed, and the soft skills, everything. Like me compared to me a year ago, like no way that would have happened, so yeah.
As you just heard, Platoon's program relies on the hard work of so many amazing volunteers. Please consider a donation to Platoon and help us create more volunteer engagement with our students and alumni. Your contribution will make a difference in the lives of our veterans and military spouses.